When we're looking at isomers, there are several different types that we will go over. The first one that we're going to focus on is known as a structural isomer, also referred to as a constitutional isomer. Now, here's the thing with isomers. What you will notice is that everything has the same exact chemical formula. And what that means is both structures have the same amount of carbons, the same amount of hydrogens, the same amount of elements. So that's what that's referring to when it's talking about the same chemical formula. Now, here's the difference. We have different structures. For example, if we're looking at these two constitutional isomers, these are two different structures because we have one methyl group that's pointing down and then another methyl group that's pointing up. So this is what's really changing. What this is called atom connectivity. Constitutional isomers have different atom connectivity. What that's referring to is there's just a difference in bonding.